the vacuums, it's part of our core business model. For a membership car wash, and you're buying a membership, what amenities do you want with your membership? It's something that you have to have in this business model.
After they go through the wash, it's not done from there. If we can add in certain amenities to elevate their experience and keep them coming back, those are the things we look for.
Again, it goes back to that earlier statement of adding the value. Something as simple as vacuuming and the timer stops and you've got to stop what you're doing, go back up to the individual vacuum and press the black button. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's an inconvenience. Having the central vacuum systems with the horsepower to keep it going no matter what, just enable that.
So it's not just a free gimmick or an add-on, it's part of what you're buying into a membership for. When you're a member of our car wash, these vacuums run every day, 7 days a week, 13 hours a day. They're here for you whenever you need it.
So adding the central system in, we're not needing to change individual motors, and all of a sudden you realize rather than running on 3 little motors, you're only down to 1 little motor. It's easy for the staff to clean, therefore it makes it easier to keep them functioning. VacuTech, from the beginning that we've had them, they've been great to work with. Anytime there's been issues, they've always helped and direct us in the areas that we need to look towards. Plus they're free with the wash. Customers love them.